This is video evidence in case we die. This is Christian.
Hello.
McDonald.
Live long and prosper.
This is the Cuck King. That boy Adam.
Goddamn.
And my dumb ass. Anyways, right now we are walking on the lake.
No, let's investigate.
Superior, as it's frozen.
It's rather slushy, but there is this. Oh.
Yeah.
It is solid pretty hard. It's just that top layer is pretty thin.
Let's go to the hill. Come on, boys. Let's go.
I'm unsure. Unsure makes me nervous. These tracks look like they might have been from the other day. The storm would have covered them. Look at how nicely the storm covered them. That's why the lake should be fine. I mean, if all else fails, we'll just be running across some giant ice piles. Or it could go straight through.
What do you think?
Full send.
Send it?
I don't know. I do have a lighter. I can light shit on fire if all else fails.
Well, you ready to swim, boys?
Check this ice. Okay, it's definitely much colder over here than it is over there.
Yeah.
So we should be okay. Spread out a little bit. Yeah, look at this. Look at the way I hope this is like legal.
How is it illegal?
None of us read that sign.
Just said no swimming.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not swimming.
Yeah, we definitely got to watch for those caverns that you were talking about. But 1/3 of the way there. See how we're doing. Ooh, it's pretty solid. It's pretty solid.
Gonna get a look at her.
That's some solid ice. Look, no slush.
Nice.
You're
Yeah, good.
Still spread out a bit though.
Look at that sun. And you got a sad little cuck boy in the back. Another camera. To the hill.
Don't love it too much now.
To the hill. Dude, I should have brought my pen. Left it in the
You didn't
car.
bring it?
I left it in the car.
Oh, leave it. But yeah, you should have. Next time, maybe next weekend if it's cold enough.
That's pretty solid from right there.
Yeah, I'm checking it again. It seems solid.
We are about 4 minutes in on this adventure.
Don't go too far back, come on.
He's trailing behind.
A documentary. If I fall in Lake Superior here, tell my family I love them. It's been a good ride.
Put that down for a second, let me get a picture of you.
It's pretty hard right now.
You want the, here I can get you.
And my phone
You're gonna love
died
that
during
picture
the
when I show it to
commentary.
you. You're gonna love it.
Hell yeah.
So my phone died at 50% commentary. So fuck myself.
Hey, let's get a close up on this cuck's face real quick. Get an ID on this man. That ugly mug. Kidding. Alright, we almost there.
I hate it.
Look at my pants. Covered in snow. Dude, that thing is gonna be dope. Look at that.
No, we got a sandbar. I mean, ice bar right here.
Wonder how far out this fucking shit is frozen.
Watch for divots. Remember that. Look, that's weird. It's small, but that divot.
Yeah.
You go to the big island?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. This is really cool. I'm happy we came out here. I always look at this and I've always wanted to be on it. How are we doing?
This is how you take your GoPro and put it to good use.
Rock solid?
Yeah.
Rock solid.
Yeah. Got about 1/3 left.
Look at these clouds.
We definitely got like 10 minutes up there, 15 tops.
Yeah.
We shouldn't stay out here
The battery and
in the winter. Set up a tent.
bet.
Talk about a walk of shame.
Dude, I totally would if I could. Set up a tent up out here, I would.
Yo, check
For the
this.
night.
I would say good.
Huh?
I would say good. The ice. Gotta continue to check it. I just don't want to see a boy pull off and lights flicker, so we gotta go back.
Whoop whoop.
It'll be like, all right, off through. It'll be 10 minutes over here.
Just trying to get pictures of a lifetime. Jesus. Oh, that looks awesome.
It's so good. Let's get up there in the next 5 minutes. For real.
Let's get there now. Fuck you. Definitely have to get some snowshoes for this shit next time.
Hope there's no dead bodies.
Find a whole pile of them sitting back there.
We should check this. We can.
It's down there deep. Yeah, it feels good.
Check it. It's okay.